Tech TV, experience educational television.
AAN Project had a midterm review at the Anita Hotel Kumasi on March 8, 2023. The midterm review project activities was aimed at accessing the result gotten and matched with the aims and objectives for the project. The project coordinator, Professor Boating, gave the overview of what the project sought to do and what has been done.
Ask ourselves what factors in the landscape influence this vulnerability. Why is one farmer or one community or one herder more vulnerable than the others?
There was review feedback from participants, which is based on relevance, coherence, effectiveness, efficiency, impact, and sustainability. Speaking to Professor Boating, it touched on what AAN Project has done and how they're focusing on their objectives.
The main thing we did was to look at the various objectives that we set for the project, and under each objective, tease out the most salient results that we have generated. Results, especially those that are of particular interest to the dialogue process. So we looked at this one by one and identified which ones we can work with for the communities to be able to continue to talk, and through that find solutions to the difficulties that they are facing now. So we try to identify means through which that can be achieved. And some of the suggestions that are coming up is the continuous dialogue, and also to make sure that that dialogue is continuous. The communities are suggesting that they would like us to provide some backup in terms of monitoring. So occasionally they will expect that we will go there and interact with them and try and encourage them to move from wherever that they would have been. Final words will be that our strength lies in cooperation, and the cooperation will depend on our willingness to continue to dialogue. And the effectiveness of that dialogue will depend on honesty and truth, and especially using the research information as a guide. I think if we abide by these principles, we should be able to, we may not eliminate the problem entirely, because conflict is part of life, but you'll be able to reduce the extent to which it occurs and how it escalates and the negative things associated with it.
Access Authority Nexus in Farmer-Herder conflict is a research project which is founded by Danida to find solutions to farmer-herder conflicts.
Tech TV, experience educational television.